Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back again with another video. Today we have a review, but like we always do, before we get into the review, please like the video if you like the videos, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, share, comment, subscribe, click that little bell thingy that's in my little thing that pops up right, boom, right there. Click that bell. Make sure my guy ain't showed up yet. I'm gonna do this little review real quick. So today we have a review on the Caliber 44 Mag Full Metal Jacket Edition. All right. So I had got these on pre-order. From Caliber. They were on the website for $130, I believe, $129, $130, something like that. Of course, I put the price on the screen. We're gonna try to make this a quick one. Usually I'm doing this on Sunday. Anyway, so you get the Full Metal Jacket. If you didn't see the unboxing, I'll leave the unboxing up here in the corner, and I'll leave the in the description, I'll leave the link to the video of the unboxing. But in the unboxing, you get the clipper, you get the bottle oil, the brush, you get 6 premium guards. That's from the half guard up until the 4. You get the USB charger, and then a manual. Of course, these are strong power. It said it had 8,200 RPMs. Somebody did leave a comment on the page that said on the unboxing that they wasn't truly 8,200. They felt good. They had good power. I do want to figure out how I can start testing these RPMs that these clipper companies say that they have. So anybody that can help me on figuring that out before I try myself, leave a comment down below and let me know how y'all do that so I can start doing it for myself, even if not for the reviews and stuff, just for myself, just so I can see if they lying, they telling the truth. But it also does help for the reviews. You get what I'm saying? So starting off, they was on pre-order on Caliber. 129, 130-ish, something like that. Got it, and they did look familiar. They looked at like Kimmy clippers and a few other no brand clippers. But some clipper companies are rebranding, and it kind of helps those who don't want to wait for the long order or the long delivery or whatever. Boom. That's all good, all gravy. However you feel about that is how you feel about it. I'm not to judge on that. I get the clippers and that's all I do. You know what I mean? So you get charging time, 180 minutes of charging time. You get 5 hours of run time. So yeah, that's the package. Those are the accessories. The only accessories you get is pretty much everything that you get in any other accessory or any other clippers. You get the charger, you get some guards. That's pretty much it. So it's nothing crazy. All right. As far as their unboxing, the packaging, the boxing was cool. Of course, they had the flap. If you've seen the unboxing, they had the flap, you know, manual stuff like that. It was nothing too crazy. You get the machine, nice machine. I love that design. It's almost like a crest, like a family crest type thing there. I mean, I guess it's just for this, so it won't be on all the Caliber clippers, but that will be nice to see. You get the nice design. They do have the LED countdown, power switch, clicks. Now, you don't hear the clicks. They're not like, no clicks are loud on the clipper, but they're not loud. Like you can't hear that click, click, but you can feel it when it hit them notches. You know what I'm saying? So that's not bad. And I'm pretty sure if I want it, I can unscrew this here and make it a floating lever. I do like floating levers a little bit better than clicks, so I would if I was to continue using these. Get the fade blade. I thought this was the same fade blade from the 50 cals. It's not, I mean, it's not the same. It's not as thin as the fade blade is on there. That fade blade on the Caliber, on the Caliber 50 cals was a lot thinner than this. All right, so we're gonna break down the clipper real quick. Let me see. We got a few minutes, so we're not going to try to make it too long. All right. You get it from the website. I had it on pre-order. I'm pretty sure you get it quicker now because I do believe at the moment of filming this video, they do have them in stock and they do have them in stock ready to ship. All right. So you won't have to wait too long. All right. So you get the product. It's a familiar looking product. It's a heavy, not heavy, but it's a nice sturdy with that casing that's on it. It's a nice sturdy design. The only thing about the actual design of the clipper that I don't like is the width of it here. Only because it seems like most of the power and most of the motor and everything is just in this one area. So it's a kind of off balance grip. All right. It's like when you're fading, all the weight is in the top of this clipper. It seems like nothing's down here except for the LED display, which might be true. All right. But I also don't like it for the simple fact that when you get used to gripping a certain clipper, no clipper, like it's just wide. So when you're holding it, or when I'm holding it, I have smaller hands. I have chunky hands, but they're small hands. All right. So when you're holding it, it's just a different feel trying to go up and around. It's just, I don't really know how to explain that part of it, but my hands is wider than the normal clippers that I use. So it's just a different feel trying to get over here, trying to do everything real quick, trying to add the blade. All right. So that's the machine. As far as the performance, this is a good clipper. All right. It fades good. This blade on here, once it gets, make sure y'all oil this. All right. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes when I'm on the move, I take clippers out the box, I go straight to use them. And sometimes you don't notice it. Like when I get my magic clips, it's not a big noticeable thing. It just starts to cutting. With this, you're gonna notice it. When these come out the box, it's like, because some clipper companies do oil them up a little bit before they come out to you. All right. These wasn't oiled up. I wasn't thinking about it. So I go straight into cutting, and they're kind of rough in the beginning. All right. So make sure you do oil these up. But as far as the cut, I'm gonna put in some clips. I think I got a few clips of some fades and stuff. But as far as the cut, it's a very smooth cut. It's a very smooth blend. It's great for cutting down bulk. It's like this is a heavy duty clipper. Now, I've never used a Kimi, which a lot of people say that this is a replica of or a rebrand of. I've never used one, but I'll say if you can get the Kimi and this, like I said, maybe I should get me one and use it to compare, but this is a great clipper. It cuts very smooth. The only problem with it is it does get warm, but it doesn't. It's like once it gets to a certain temperature, it's just at that temperature. It's like when you take it off the charger, you feel it, you be like, it's kind of warm, but it just stays there. You get what I'm saying? Like it doesn't continue to get hot. You know what I mean? So that's a good thing to me. I hate that it does get warm after you use it for a second, but it gets warm and it's just there. It's nothing crazy. All right. The time, I do like the JRL as it count down the hours, but this is not a problem. This is not a problem counting down by percentage wise. It's kind of like your phone. Your phone starts at 100% and it counts down percentage wise. All right. They say it lasts up to 4 or 5 hours. Well, it say 5 hours on the box. I got about 4 hours out of it after my first full charge. I used it for a full day. The day that I did choose to use it and try to see if it got a full charge, it wasn't a busy day, so I wasn't back to back with it, but it did seem to last 4 hours. It say 5 hours. I didn't quite get the full 5 hours, maybe a little after 4 hours, a little over 4 hours, but not a full 5. All right. But I guess that's cool because it say on the box about 5 hours. So if it says about, then you get about. So it might be for something and not the full 5. Cool. All right. As far as charging, it takes about 3 hours to charge. I'll put some footage in here of the full watching it die. Then it shows you your need to plug in icons. and it does take the 3 hours to charge. A little over 3. Let me see, closer to 4. Anyway, the video is here. So it takes a little over 3 hours to charge to get about a 4-hour usage, or about a 5-hour usage, which is, it's cool, whatever. There's no rapid charge on this like it is on a Gamma Ergo. You know what I'm saying? Although an Ergo only gets you 2 hours of usage, so you got that. Boom. All right. But charging something for 3 hours to use it for 4 hours, or charging something for 3.5 hours to charge it for 4 hours is not a great trade-off to me. And as far as the clipper, that is the only problem that I have with it, is the charging time, because it's a long charging time. All right. Their guards that come with it, they were cool. They were kind of like the wall premiums. They wasn't quite sturdy like the wall premiums, the guards. So I just used the wall guards, which were cool. Wasn't mad at all. Got the job done. So overall, 130 on the website. Great clipper, great build, heavy duty. It's gonna cut through almost anything. I did not use it on wet hair. So usually when I do use clippers and I say it can cut through anything, I like to use it on wet hair just to try. You know what I mean? Just to see what it do. Not that I always cut with wet hair, because you don't, because that's stupid and it could mess up your clippers. But sometimes you like to try it. See if it cut through wet hair. Did not do it with these, so we got that. Either way, client will be here in a minute. Either way, cool. All right. Overall, great clipper. Caliber did a great job, whether they rebranded, I don't know. I buy the clippers. How they come to me is how I judge them. The only problem that I had with this is the charging time. It cuts great. It's very sturdy. Gets a little warm, but doesn't get hot. The blade is cool, which I would rather use a 50 cal. And maybe I'm remembering it wrong, but the 50 cal blade seemed a little bit thinner. So I am going to kind of like the Gamma Ergo blade was a little bit thinner. So yeah, I would put that on there. But like I say, when I get products, I use them as they come. Before the review, I don't change nothing. All right. I know I could change the battery, I could change the blade, I can change this, but when I'm reviewing, I like to review it as the clipper is brought into me from the company. Based off of this clipper, should you buy it? Yes. Will it overtake some clippers that's already in your arsenal? Maybe. Will it take any over mine? Only because of this width thing here? Probably not. It's not a big deal, but I'm used to what I'm used to. I use the JRLs and I use the Magic Clips for my back-to-back usage. So I will have these for a little bit longer, maybe set them to the side, keep them as backup. But these are a great clipper. If you have a chance to get the Caliber 44 Mag Full Metal Jacket Edition, you definitely should. All right. So that's my review. And I do like that the name is on the back rather than being big on the front like the 50 cal. The 50 cal just looked artificial. It just looked fake. All right. But that's my review. Hopefully I made sense. I was trying to get everything out, but not rush. So I wasn't trying. Either way, if you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, doorbell, ring. You get it. All right. Heads up though. I do want to remind everybody, May 2nd, I will be in Nashville. I will be vending with my new product. Crown is the product line. It'll be wave grease, shampoo, lotion, beard oil, beard balm, shampoo, conditioner. I'm going to have it all. All right. So if you're in the Knoxville area or if you're in the Nashville area, May 2nd, come to the Hotel Preston. There will be the MLB trade show May 2nd. It's on a Sunday. If you have time or if you're in the area, just want to holler at your boy, boom, I'm there. If you want to come and support the industry, want to come and support the brand, come and holler at us. We'll be there. Appreciate y'all. I'll be back with another one real soon. Peace. Peace. You can go on now. Go to the next video. Go on. Even if it ain't mine, just go on. You ain't got to go home, but you got to go. Go on now. Go. Get.